question that's a little bit more practical. Are non-Jews that are kind of knowledgeable a little bit, like at least superficially, about halacha, are they sort of, I wouldn't say obligated, but are they some sort of obligated to rebuke Jews that they see, that they witness, that are going against the halacha? Let's say if a non-Jew that knows that clearly that that Jews are not allowed to drive on Shabbat, and he sees such a thing, is he supposed to rebuke this person?
I think so, yes. That's one of the obligations of non-Jews, to bring the Jews closer to Hashem. And one of the guys that we learned with told us the story how many years ago he was when I joined that minyan, that mincha minyan at my job. So I went there for for past maybe 3-4 years, but he was there in that building for many years. So he said that he went to that mincha for 25 years, and many of these years he would not wear a kippah. Okay, so but all it's a beautiful scenery to see, like all of the Jews, like from different company, they go into secret door, so everybody see it. It's like in a mall, right? Everybody see it. So we had mincha like behind the shops. They would let us in. Of course, you have to have a special pass, but security. Everybody knew we're not going to steal. We're not going to create any problems. Of course, we just pray the 10-15 minutes and we leave. That's it. Of course, like your colleagues, they would see like everybody like during the lunchtime. Of course, the mincha is in the winter it was 12 Torah, and on the summer it was 1 Torah. It's not like easy to remember, right? Or opposite, whatever was. So and or it was one Torah throughout the year, maybe 1 Torah. But 12, well, whatever, 12:45. I don't remember already the time, right? But no, it's actually the lunch break for everybody. So your colleagues would see you, like it's in the same building. It's like you have to go downstairs, like in the mall, right, in the plaza. So everybody knew like where we're praying. It was not a big secret. So one Irish guy actually came to this guy. And he said, like, why you don't, like, I saw you with a little Jewish hat, so why don't you wear to work? And this guy said, I was observant like for 7 years at that point, and I was embarrassed. So since they hired me, I did not have like a kippah, and so now I feel embarrassed to wear a kippah. So this and after this Irish, like rebuke him, or it's like a rebuke or encourage him. So he said, he said, since then I never took the kippah off. You understand? So that's so sometimes these Jews are self-conscious and they need a little push. So they need a push, okay, or a big push. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, that's absolutely. Yeah. Of course, like politely, nicely, right? But remind him like you're from such a good seed, and that's now how you should behave, and I can send you information and stuff like that. Yeah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Yeah. I was just wondering what would be the right way of sort of rebuking them, like
nicely, yes. So yeah, I'm actually I listened today of one recording of the woman. So we have on our channel, one of our channels, we have like programs, the voices of our friends. Okay, so somebody who actually got his hook from our channel, who life changes, or like whatever, Teshuvah story. So they send us like this audio, and we convert it to video. So we have one person who has graphics and stuff like that. So we had music. It's nicely, very nicely. So she actually non-Jew, and she like wrote such a beautiful comment about covering her hair. And I asked her like maybe you wanna send the sound of the recording. and she was hesitant, but now she said, like this morning, I listened. It's an amazing. It's non-Jewish woman, so she used to be a Christian, and she started like she prayed to see Hashem, to hear Hashem, to know Hashem, and she was like going through all this garbage of the world, and then she found our channel, and she found on our channel this laws of modesty videos, and she decided. I think she's not married. I'm not sure how old is she. Doesn't matter. Like she's such a pure woman, non-Jew, and she said this about Jewish women that we have to be like you. We have to like we have to like you're descendant from Sarah, Rachel, Rivka, Leah, you understand? So we like it's just amazing, and we commend you this and that, applaud you. So because of the modesty, so this non-Jewish woman, I said that that's amazing. So this non-Jewish woman can give chizuk to other people. You understand? So that's simply amazing. So if she can do it, and she, of course, she has much more resistance. If Jewish women start covering her hair, it's one thing, but non-Jew from, I don't know, like her environment, I guess non-Jewish environment, of course, but for her to start covering her hair, like it's a big revolution, right? And dress modestly. The way I understand, she's maybe in like in late 20s or something. That's the way I understood from her like stories, maybe early 30s. So, and for a woman like that, and such a young lady, like to start dressing modestly, so that's should be a very big encouragement for everyone. And of course, she pushes a little Jewish women. Yes, that's good. Understand?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.